At Seametrics, we specialize in the design and manufacture of flow measurement and environmental monitoring solutions for a wide range of industries. Our products include electromagnetic and mechanical flow meters available in full bore, insertion, and flange styles, as well as water quality sensors and loggers. We're committed to providing accurate and reliable measurement solutions that help customers optimize their operations and make informed decisions about their resources. The Seametrics iMag 4700 is an electromagnetic flow meter designed for accurate liquid flow measurement. It's ideal for groundwater, well water, municipal, industrial, and wastewater applications. With no moving parts, it's suitable for dirty water environments. The iMag 4700 is available in different models and can be powered by batteries for remote monitoring and quick installations. It's also equipped for wireless and remote meter reading. The WMP series is a battery-powered, plastic-bodied industrial flow meter that operates as a magnetic flow meter. It's specifically designed for flow and usage monitoring in 1, 2, and 3-inch pipe applications. Its polypropylene flow tube offers corrosion resistance to a wide range of chemicals, fertilizers, and harsh liquids like leachate. The WMP series works great in industrial wastewater discharge, gray water, well monitoring, and mining. The Seametrics Level Scout 2X Smart Sensor is an integrated data logger and level temperature sensor and is ideal for site assessments, environmental monitoring, surface water discharge measurement, and aquifer level monitoring, as well as aquifer storage and recovery. The Seametrics PS9800 and PS98i pressure transmitters are rugged and accurate, with great noise immunity, transient protection, and thermal performance. Both sensors work great in pump and slug tests, river, stream, and reservoir gauging, stormwater runoff monitoring, and wetland monitoring. Contact Seametrics for your measurement solution today. 800-975-8153. info@seametrics.com.